Over 15 million acres in the United States are contaminated by munitions-related chemicals that pose a risk to the health and safety of people and the planet. The explosive TNT is among the EPA's top munitions of concern. In uncontrolled environments, TNT degrades to DNT, a toxic chemical that lasts for decades in soil and the watershed. Along with the risk of explosion, research continues to link exposure to organ failure, infertility, cancer, and death. The Department of Defense devotes around $200 million every year to clear these areas. Before chemicals can be removed, personnel must determine the identities, quantities, and location of munition chemicals on the site. This is Phil, a federal contractor assigned to assess the Cornhusker Army Ammunition Plant, a 12,000-acre Superfund site in Nebraska. To start, Phil and his team use historical records of military activity to zone likely contaminated areas. For days, Phil and his team collect thousands of samples by hand, relying on sites to avoid stepping on active munitions. On-site testing kits provide results in hours, allowing this team to redirect additional sampling toward likely contaminated areas. Then, to verify on-site results, Phil transports additional samples to a lab that returns results in 30 days for $360 per sample, or in 3 days for $1,000 per sample. Because of these expensive lab fees and long wait times, on-site methods help reduce the number of samples sent for lab assay. But on-site tests are prone to false positives, requiring several additional rounds of sampling and lab analysis to confirm results, and they cannot function across both soil and water. Further, munitions are widely and unevenly dispersed, so samples often misrepresent the contamination of the entire location for both on-site and lab techniques. Biotech is the only technique that does not require sampling, but current methods are compromised by the environment and require chemical additives to function. Most sites require a budget increase of around $15 million because the presence of chemicals was improperly represented in early estimates. Herodotus provides users like Phil the most reliable on-site technology to date that can detect, identify, and quantify TNT and DNT in both soil and water. Using cutting-edge genetic techniques, our scalable biotech is sampleless, instantaneous, reliable across many environments, and does not require the addition of chemicals to the environment to function. With Herodotus, Phil can apply cells from afar and analyze the data without handling dangerous munitions, keeping our users safe. This data can then be used to reliably direct additional sampling to detect other chemicals, as TNT is found in up to 95% of samples containing other contaminants. By emitting light in proportion to contamination levels, our technology also warns Phil of highly concentrated areas at greater risk of explosion, warning his team to conduct distance sampling procedures or to investigate for unexploded ordnances. And our product is the cheapest on the market, selling at $1 an acre.
Based on our customer discovery, our product and model are optimized as a subcontractor to meet the needs of our users, site investigators of prime contractors and DoD project managers, and our buyers, DoD contracting officers.
Our customers want a solution that is cheap, easy, reliable, and safe. Innovative and sustainable, we can expand to ammunition sites across the globe and penetrate almost every industry on the planet.